Dear SSB aspirants, ever since we've started posting these videos on YouTube pertaining to the SSB preparation, we've been flooded with a lot of queries pertaining to the SSB. Like, for example, in the site dossier, a lot of candidates have been asking us how to handle if too many advisory sentences are coming to my mind, or how to write positive stories when the image shown is slightly negative, let's say, of a dead body. We've been asked questions about how to write a self-description in a proper manner. Also, we've been asked about how to write the SRTs so that you're able to complete them within the allotted time, because a lot of candidates are unable to do that. Also, queries pertaining to certain typical questions asked by the interviewing officer are being asked. Besides other questions like approaching PPTT, story writing, and OIR, as also questions pertaining to routine things like building up self-confidence and improving your ability to express and write. So all these queries that are being asked to us, we would love to answer all of those. But the problem is that when you write it in a text form, we are unable to really communicate with you in such a manner that we know that you understood it properly. So I would recommend to all of you who would like to clarify such basic doubts to have that 1 hour interactive session with us, so that we are able to genuinely help you out. Now, the thing when you're asking these questions to us during the interactive session is that there'll be many other doubts that will get clarified, as also your self-preparation will get a proper direction. Because sometimes if your self-preparation is not really aligned with the way it should be desirably done, sometimes it can be counterproductive also. So I would recommend to all of you that you could have this session with us, and in case you feel that you do not have to spend 1 hour with us and there are certain basic doubts or few doubts that you would like to clarify, you're most welcome to get in touch with us for a shorter period of time. And of course, the cost of the module can be reduced. You can get in touch with the administrative officer. He'll be able to guide you and give our numbers to you. Our motive is to help out most of the candidates. Now, why we are charging a very small amount, although we would love to do it free of cost, is that anything that comes free usually does not have any value. So for that reason, we are charging a very small amount. But still, if you feel that you would not like to interact with us for 1 hour and you want to clarify some few doubts in lesser period of time, accordingly we will adjust the fee. So don't worry on that account. We would like you all to interact and clarify all your doubts, so that by the time this lockdown opens, you are absolutely fit to go for the SSB as early as it comes. God bless you all. Take care. Be safe.